Hey guys, I want to make a review of my new Yamaha YZF R3. Okay, it's a 3-month old Yamaha. I have been riding this since I bought it. Very powerful, comfortable, and I made a little bit of upgrades like my tire. I upgrade my tire from the original size to 160 160 60 17. So I made it a little bit bigger for those who want to see whether is there any more space. Let's have a look. Yes, there's the space, guys, so there's no problem. In front there's also very big space, so no issue. This let's have a look on the other side. There's a very big space there. I'm not sure whether I can see it, but there's no issue, no problem at all. Okay, I also made them upgrades on my exhaust. Okay, this the crop of it exhaust, very powerful sound. Also changed my rear fender. Looks great, much better from the original. I make use of the OEM lights, the plate lights, everything. So everything is reusable. I don't have to buy another new one. Okay, put some Valentino Rossi number 46. Okay, so let's fire it up and hear the sound. Okay, there's the sound of a crop of it exhaust, and there's the look after all the upgrades. I also want to introduce to you my other bike, the MZEC series, also from Yamaha. Also upgraded my tire. Fairings, originally from Naked Bike. I changed the headlight cover. Again, 46 Valentino Rossi. Side mirrors, lever, clutch and brakes. Very nice. Okay guys, hope you like it. Thanks.